Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, do we ever have a message for supervisors and managers? Let's do one today. You have a great opportunity because in big things and little things, you get to set an example. From, for example, what time you show up on time, what attitude you have, your work ethic, the pace that we're going to do things at, the initiative that we're going to show. Let's say you go into one of your buildings and you notice that there's some things that fell on the floor in the cleaning closet. Some of the supplies aren't really stocked. There's a box or it hasn't been put away. And your cleaner's nearby. I mean, you could definitely say, hey, Steve or Sally, you got to do this. Or you could just jump in and start taking care of it or helping them take care of it, showing that initiative. That's a big deal because it shows that you're not so worried about just assigning blame, they did it wrong. You're mostly caring about the client focus, that in your cleaning business, you're all about delighting the customer, not assigning blame. So you show that initiative. Now, that sets a great example to everyone that you feel that way and the company represents that. Plus, they know you're willing to pitch in and you show that it's about the customers. Now, that doesn't mean you can't sit down with them and say, listen, how did this happen? How did this get away from you that we didn't take care of it? There can be correction and discipline as far as things like that. But you mostly have this great opportunity by the way you take care of every day and every evening that you work in your job to set an example to show what your cleaning business is really about and what the philosophy is that you have. It's a big responsibility and it's a big opportunity. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.